Hello everyone, this is Lolia from Sunglory. We're a professional coating plant manufacturer with 27 years experiences. We can supply all machines of coating plant. Last month, according to our client's requirement, we designed and manufactured this washing line and curing furnace. Our washing line is for stainless steel and aluminum cookware degreasing after deep drawing. Its capacity can reach 600 pieces per hour. This is pour-out type water tank, really easy for daily cleaning. And by this design, you can monitor its manufacturing condition easily. This is adjustable air blower. You can adjust its height and angle according to product size. We can help you set up a non-stick cookware coating plant, rice cooker coating plant with after-sales engineer service. You can manufacture non-stick pots and pans, rice cooker, air fryer and other cookware. This is our non-stick coating plant, which is available for Teflon coating, ceramic coating and marble coating. Its capacity can be customized from 400 pieces per hour, 600 pieces per hour to 800 pieces per hour. Our coating plant is good for all brands painting material, including DuPont, Whitford, Weber, and Grepelon. Contact us, set up your own coating factory.